Hi, here is the demonstration of the final version after all the updates given. First thing what you need to do is to add the ISNs. As soon as you add one value, a new blank row will be generated. So you can keep on adding. If you wanted to delete any of them, you just have to click on this and then say delete. I just say no. So I want to delete it. That's it. And then you can close it. Similarly, add a new doctor. You can add new values here and then make the changes. Add new item. You can add this here. After that, you can add a new request. So let's see. Yeah, there is one in the list one. So now adding new one. I've added ISN. You can select this one. So you can select the expiry date, then digitally sign, then generate this memorandum. So in this memorandum, you can see that row number 12 has the notes, and then here it is digitally signed. These two are created as it is mentioned in the requirement changes. Notes has on this one. Okay, so renewing the expired one, we have to go to this reports list of all the expired items. You can see this one. Click on renew and enter the new renewal date, then renew. Click on renew, it will generate a memorandum here also, and then you can see in this memorandum it is mentioned as renewed. Here it is renewed has been made. So I'll close this one, and then the next one is top is adjusted, requesting new item. The digitally signed is implemented. Listed and license have been issued the items. Okay, for this one I have added this tab. So it will give the list of issued items. For that I have some. Right now it is not yet issued. I'll just say approve, and then approved. Now I'll go to the issue part. So now I'll issue them. Issued. Okay, now it is issued. Now it's already given. So now what we need to do is items issued. So the same glasses issued, 3 numbers. So this is the report. You can print it. This part is completed. Add option generate reports for record. Yeah, you can select any of this one, generate report for records. So I have made some color changes on this one to display for different one, since all of them are in pending status. These are old records. These are the old ones. Let us go for all records. That will only show this items that are reports for record is generating. It is all requests for this particular A001. Okay, you can print it. So there was an issue downloading the file format which you sent in the people per hours. For some reason it's not downloading, says it is a virus. So color combination I just maintained it as a different one as a yellow for this one, and it should be rejected, then it will come as a red and so on. somehow it's not giving the colors, so it is all in the yellow format. Okay, this one. And then for loading data, it's a bit riskier to load the data directly from Excel to the one. It requires an application and to load the data to maintain the data integrity. Directly copy and pasting will be a riskier, so it will mess up the data. So for that reason, I did not take any other method. If you are technically known about this design of this application, probably you can do it, but it's a bit riskier to do it manually. So it may require an application itself. That itself is an application, but let's see if you can do it manually, if that works out. Otherwise, you may have to develop an application that may take about 1 or 2 days. It's a big job developing an application. So let me know if you require an application, and accordingly we can work on it. And point out that we have 400 items here on this one. Then to point out, when you go to the edit function, yes, if you go to the edit function here, this is we need to be very careful with this one. Any changes that we make here, it will immediately reflect there. For example, if we have issued and if we have an approved item has been approved, has been saying that it has been approved. For example, here it is an approve. So if you wanted to bring it back to the pending, you just have to enter it here as a pending. So this is the number 2. You can see this one. You will get it in the approved list, number 2. Similarly, the same number 2, I'll go here. Where is the number 2? I'll state it as approved. Please note it is approved. It is not approved. It's an approve. So I'll just mark it as the approve, the number 2. You can see that number 2 will not come here because it has moved to the approved state. Okay, this is how it works. Yeah, please let me know if anything else that needs to be done. I will be very glad to do it. And if you can send me the report for this one, generate report for record, the format, whichever you wanted. Maybe I can try out in this week to make this according to your format. Hope that helps. Yeah, thank you.